All right, friends, it's 76 degrees. Redneck paint booth is in full operation. Car is wiped down, sprayed off, sanitized, de-oiled, deglazed, demi-glazed, ready for baking. I've got my salvaged ironing board, aka paint table. Paint is mixed, ready, pressurized, atomized, and scrutinized. Here we go. Hopefully this will be the last painting video I make for a while. Welcome back. All right, it's 2 coats later, 82 degrees. Let's take a tour. Man, so I got in the good window, you know, the good temperature window, which I feel good about. Paint went down okay. This is the area that I was having the problem in, so I sort of put a couple thicker coats. I do see, I don't know if you guys can see, I see a couple little, what could be fish eyes. So I've got a little bit of the paint left over. Yeah, it's not great. I mean, it's kind of orange peely over here, which was the problem I had the first time. I don't know if you can see that. Nah, can't really see it. The problem with the orange peel is that by the time you sand it down, you're losing a lot of paint. Oh, and I can see fisheyes in here too. This is not great. So I might have to, yeah, look at that. That's rough, man. I don't know. I guess I'm just not good at painting. I don't know what the problem is. But I think this area has enough paint on it that even if I sand this down a little bit, it'll be okay. That is not good though. That is rough. Oh my God. I don't know why. I don't know what happens. I did use, ironically, I used some of this stuff, fisheye eliminator, but I ended up, it seems like I ended up with more fisheyes, so be careful. You know, the guy at the Sherman Williams said I should do a test first, which of course I didn't, and I should have, because I was getting better results without the fisheye eliminator. And I did the second coat without the fisheye eliminator. It seems to have gone down better, but the problem is it's going over like these little tiny fisheyes. So I got a lot of texture in here. I was hoping to avoid that since the car was basically sanded down to 400. Anyway, it is what it is. The bottom line is I hope I have enough paint on this now to just sand it down and buff it and cut it and do everything, you know, without burning through to the primer, that's the main goal. So hopefully that will happen. But I do see a lot of, I see a lot of fisheyes in this. I don't know why. I cleaned the crap out of it. Cleaned it, alcohol, isopropyl alcohol 2 times. You know, it's pretty clean out here actually, and there's no wind today. Besides the redneck paint booth fans, which seem to be working well. So I don't know, my friends. Painting is not easy. is the moral of the story, as you can see. But I'm happy to share my amateur paint journey with you guys. Hopefully it'll be helpful. That's kind of the bottom line. Is I'm not trying to show you. I'm not showing off here. Obviously, I'm just showing what I'm doing. And like I said before, the proof's in the pudding. So we'll see how the end result is. It's just that my journey is a lot tougher than some other people's for lack of equipment and experience. But we'll get there. All right. We'll check back maybe in a day or two and after some sanding, and I gotta let this set up for a few days and then I'll get into it. All right. See you later.